I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Peverill Financial Training Group. Today I'm talking about the need to understand financial statements. So this need comes about if you're a business owner in particular, because the balance sheet income statement for your business is really the report card for how your business is doing. If you don't have a business, there are still times when you would need to understand financial statements if you're investing your money for retirement in other companies, or just being able to understand what people show you about your personal net worth, even that, here is the statement that shows what you have and what you owe. So I believe that many people do not, in fact, understand financial statements. I am an accountant, and when I show statements to my clients, sometimes they make it clear that they don't really know what they are looking at. And of course, if you don't understand the information that you're getting about how your business is working, it's harder to make the correct decisions about that because you don't see what the financial statements are saying. I've been an accountant forever. Statements talk to me. I can see them and I know how things are going with that business and sometimes what needs to be changed. So if you would like to increase your understanding of financial statements, I have one of my 2-hour Zoom classes coming up. It is pretty low cost, $25, and you can learn enough about financial statements, hopefully, to keep yourself out of trouble going forward.